Okay, today is the 2nd of June 2022. I haven't done a London Open in a while. So this morning I'm going to look at GBPUSD and see what we can come up with. You guys can see that I already had my lines over here, but that's not important. So let's do a top-down analysis quickly. Alright, monthly low. Let's mark that as the high. Then let's go into the 1 week and see what we're operating with here. All right. Monthly high. Let's put that as the monthly low. All right. So we can also put this as the monthly and weekly low. All right, but let's just do this thing quickly so we can just see what's happening from all the other time frames. Okay, so yesterday, okay, let's do this first. So let's put that as the daily support. All right. Daily support, we've got 2 minutes. Obviously that's the daily high. We can also make that the daily high. And then when we go into a 4-hour time frame, on a daily, I just also want to take note of one more thing, that yesterday we did close below that. So by the time we get onto a 4-hour time frame, we are now looking at market structure from this perspective. So let's take note of this firstly. All right, and then the 4-hour high can also be the weekly high, so that's fine, weekly and daily high. Then let's quickly go into the 1-hour time frame and see what we have. Okay, from this uptrend, downtrend, double bottom, now we're going to the upside on GBPUSD. There's nothing we can do from the hour time frame for now, but we can take note of that. So let's go on to the 30 minutes time frame. 30 minutes time frame, we've got a support resistance there that now needs to be turned into support. 15 minutes, we're still going up. 5 minutes. Now on the 5 minutes, now what can we see? Low, 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 low. So I'm trying to do this quickly so we can catch a London Open trade. Got 20 seconds. All right, so first target is 2530. So we got 10 seconds. GBPUSD. Nothing complicated. Let's buy. Buy. All right, so let's take note of that. Let's put it on the 1 minute time frame. Alright, we've just bought over here. Stop loss, let's put it here on that low there, because if it does come to that low, it means a violation of structure. We're now going to the downside, so we're going to take our take profit over here. Okay, let's see what happens. Let's go, we're in good profits, we're in good profits, we're in good profits. Alright, if you want to be rich, gotta hold your trades. But what I'm gonna do now, is because it would be stupid if I don't, let's put stop loss to entry first of all. And then, now we're just gonna wait. It's gonna be a waiting game. So our stop loss has to go above, which is 25191. 191 25 25191. There we go. Two 5191. Alright, so where else can we put in another entry? Let's see. No, I think this is good and this is enough, so we're just going to keep it at that. Right now it is 3 minutes past. Let's take a screenshot of the profits that we have. All right, 2 of the positions are about to get to take profit, because remember we have to leave 1 position running for second take profit. This is absolutely beautiful. All right, we're running 79 rands each position. Let's go. Take profit hit. Let's go. Let's go. All right, cool. So first take profit has been hit. We're now going to go into a 5-minute time frame. And now what we want is that we want the 5-minute time frame to close above this resistance here. Once that happens, we are holding for second take profit. All right, I didn't want to make this video so long, so we're about to call it a day. It's a very, very profitable London session open. It was beautiful. We're still pushing up. 5 minutes has closed above. Perfect. I'm going to open more positions. This was a quick trade. 5 candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minutes on GBPJPY, and we were able to catch a quick 12 pips, and those 12 pips got us 170 rands, and we still have 1 more position open. So if we closed everything, we're looking at about 250 rands, which is very, very good for London Open. But basically now I'm just going to be waiting for GBPJPY to actually come and reach this point here for second take profit. But basically, guys, that's how you kill the London session. You don't guess, you don't try and predict things. You literally just look at what the market is giving you, and then that's how you enter and you make your money and you're done. So I hope that was informative and you guys learned something. Until next time.